Ever sat staring at a blank page trying to come up with a business idea? You're not alone. Most beginners struggle with where to even start. Coming up with a solid business idea can feel impossible, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. Here is the exact prompt I used. Give me 30 business ideas that can be started online with low upfront cost. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy it. And just like that, ChatGPT gives me a full list of ideas, from freelancing services to digital products and niche online stores. You could take this and run with any one of them, which is perfect if you've been stuck wondering what to build. But here's the catch. Having ideas is just the first step. What you really need is a way to know which ones can actually turn into a profitable business and how to move from brainstorming to launching. That's exactly what the AI Business Builder Challenge walks you through. Delivered in 5 clear episodes, it shows you how to validate your idea, build your plan, and launch your business, even if you're brand new. And along with the challenge, you also get powerful bonuses like the silent marketer strategy that shows how to reach millions of people without even being on camera. Plus, a copy and paste database of tested AI prompts so you're never stuck guessing what to type. And that's the real power of this challenge. It takes you from just having a list of ideas to actually building something you can launch. Instead of letting those ideas collect dust, you can finally turn one into a real business. The AI Business Builder Challenge makes it simple and it costs less than what you would spend on takeout. I dropped the link for you in the description so you can dive in.